Record a task once, and Claude turns it into a skill it runs forever. No prompting. Everyone thought teaching an AI meant writing careful prompts, until this week it flipped to just showing it. Anthropic added a feature called Record a Skill inside its Cowork app. You press record, do the task on your screen, and talk through your steps out loud. It follows your mouse, your keystrokes, and your clicks in real time. And it isn't only watching your screen, it's recording your voice. When you stop, Claude writes the whole workflow into a reusable skill. Before this, you taught Claude by hand, spelling out every step in Markdown like code. Now, the least technical person on your team can automate a weekly chore. Picture your Friday report, the same spreadsheet, the same copy-paste, every single week. Record it once, and Claude files it next Friday while you're still asleep. If Claude just learned your job by watching, return the favor and follow and like on your way out. But watch what that recording actually becomes. The skill it saves is a plain file you can hand to anyone. And that's the catch. The moment your work fits in a file, it no longer needs you to run it. Anthropic is rolling this out now to Pro, Max, and Team accounts. So the real question isn't whether Claude can learn your tasks, it's which ones you'd rather it didn't. 2 weeks ago, Cowork learned to run your tasks with your laptop closed. Today it learns the tasks themselves, and that brief's on screen now. Here's my call. Mark the date. OpenAI ships its own record, your screen skill builder inside ChatGPT by August 6th. Follow for more AI that learns your job. That's your BlackBoxArt for today.